Hey, check this out. So I stopped walking on the treadmill and started doing this instead. You've probably heard that if you really want to lose weight, that expensive medication, injections, or surgery are the only real ways to do it, right? You might think it's impossible to slim down and look like you did in your 20s unless you stick with a clean diet and exercise routine. But what if I told you that's not true at all? What if I told you there's a simple method you can use that could actually help you lose a crazy amount of weight, and it has nothing to do with exercises, diets, smoothies, detox teas, or surgeries? Sounds too good to be true, right? That's what I thought too, until I heard about this United States scientist who said he figured out an effective solution anyone battling with their weight can use. He tried the method on his wife and completely transformed her body. Before discovering this, he studied a large group of identical twins where one twin was overweight and the other was skinny. At the conclusion of his study, he couldn't believe what he found. He said that the twins that were heavier weren't just unlucky, but they did all have one thing in common. He said that obesity and weight gain issues are from a tiny slimming molecule that eventually becomes depleted inside the body, which slows down your metabolism. And he found this common pattern in all of the heavier twins. He took this slimming molecule theory and came up with a simple method anyone can use to help replenish this molecule without having to have a procedure done. He first tested it out on his wife, and after applying his method, they couldn't believe the results. She had been battling with weight gain for almost 20 years after having their first child, and after using this method, she started losing weight so fast she had to buy a new wardrobe. He told me even his mother, who tried every diet under the sun over the last few decades, started seeing similar results as well. And now thousands of people are using this method to put an end to their weight loss struggles like never before. I was skeptical at first, but I decided to give it a try myself, and boy, am I glad I did. Skinny jeans, tight dresses, and two-piece bikinis are the new norm for me. I no longer am anxious getting undressed around my lover, and I don't have to worry about how others look at me in public anymore. And the best part is, it's so easy to do, and it can be done from home. But don't just take my word for it. My friend Caroline tried it too, and she saw results in half the time that I did. She went from eating daily meals that looked like cardboard to now pretty much eating how she did in her 20s, all thanks to this method. And get this, even her doctor, who saw how much weight she lost, started using the method herself. If you want to try this for yourself, just tap the Watch More button below and watch the free video that explains it all. Trust me, you won't regret it. Finding this was the best thing that ever happened to me, and I'm sharing it with everyone and anyone who's been desperately trying to find something that actually works. So tap the button below to watch it now and see exactly how you can start using this method too.